What are you gonna do with all those things of chalk? Oh, that's a charming thing to do with them. Oops. What happened to your chalk? And get chalk all over your pretty clothes. It's okay. It washes off. Did you get boo-boo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, Grandma's got boo-boo too on her leg, doesn't she? Yeah, it'll go away.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Grandma got a boo-boo?
Oh, it's you.
Yeah. Grandma's got boo-boo. Kind of ugly. Nasty looking, isn't it?
You don't have one.
No, you don't have a boo-boo on your leg. You have a boo-boo on your nose.
It's
Boo-boo on your nose.
me.
You face palmed into the cement. Yeah, you have a boo-boo on your nose. But that's all. No, there's Grandma's camera. Yeah? What a story. You gonna get in your chair? Whatever that means, okay. I thought that was to write on the... No! That's to write on the cement, sweetie. Not your pretty chair.